I'm Madison Weaver from the class of 2019. I'm here at the 7th Street Studio in MakerSpace, where all students are welcome to make, design, and create.
Whether there's a special event, an interesting class, or just a solo project, the studio in MakerSpace has all of the tools you need. The studio has everything from paint and brushes, ceramics and pottery, craft supplies, and even sewing machines and fabric. In the MakerSpace, you can make any idea come to life with awesome machines like the vinyl press, tons of 3D printers, and even a laser cutter. Come down to 7th Street and check it out.